I've been getting a lot of requests on TikTok to showcase how I would take profit. So for purposes of this video, we are going to take a look at the XRP USD chart on the 4-hour. Again, for transparency, I am not in this trade. This is a hypothetical setup. This would be something I would be interested in looking at. So what I did is I went ahead and drew a trend line at this swing low here from February 23rd at about 36 cents. And I drew it all the way up to this swing low here from March 11th at about 43 cents. Yes, I can modify that accordingly to this swing low over here from February 28th. But I didn't feel like it. I felt like doing it here. You can do whatever works for you. Anyways, let's talk about this setup. So I've got my oscillators down here. Everything looks good. Things do look like they could get bullish. However, I don't like to just market buy. I like to wait a little bit. I like to get in at a very good price. So if you want, you can go ahead and 10% market buy here at about 45 cents. However, I like this area down here at about 44 cents. I would prefer to get in at this area because I do think that this would be the bottom. However, this would be more of a risky trade because I do have my stop down over here at about 43 cents. But you can go ahead and modify this to your risk. You can even lower your stop down to this swing low here that occurred back on March 2nd at about 42 cents. Realistically, it depends. This would make it a 5% loss with a target of about 11.67% profit. However, do whatever works for you. But for purposes of this video, I'm going to keep my stop here at about 43 cents with a risk level of 2.18%. So let's zoom in a little bit and see what's going on. So I do think that price may end up dropping down here to 44 cents. However, I think it will rebound. And the reason why I think it will drop here is because that's what I'm seeing on the chart. That's what I'm feeling. Anyways, if we do end up catching this bid here at about 44 cents, I do anticipate price to continue to go up. And when I talk about taking profit, what I did, I went ahead and I saw this area of resistance that was pretty important. It was built here on February 23rd and it is a high of 49 cents. I also saw that it kind of corresponds with this swing high here from March 4th. So I like this area for my final exit of taking profit. What I did is I drew my profit loss thingy so we can go ahead and see what that would look like, and you can find it over here on the left side of TradingView is the prediction and measurement. Under prediction and measurement tools, it would be our long position because this would essentially be a long position. What I then did was that after I was done drawing this, I pulled my Fibonacci extensions. The reason why I like Fibonacci extensions is because they give you pretty accurate areas of support and resistance. To find Fibonacci retracements, you would go over here to this tool on TradingView and you would go down to Fib retracement. They're Fibonacci retracement or extensions. Just really depends the way you're looking at. Anyways, this is how I drew it, and it's going to give me areas of important resistance. And I would go ahead and stack sells or set alerts on my phone and sell every single time profit was hit. And then what I would do, I would move my stop loss up. So after my first take profit was hit, I would move my stop loss up a little bit. When my second one was hit, I would continue to move it up, and I would probably do so with these areas of previous resistance. Once we flip into resistance, I would give myself a little bit of wiggle room and continue to do so, and I would take profit on the way up. However, when you're doing something like this, especially in the 4-hour chart, it is going to be, it should execute in, the next few days, hopefully. But again, it depends with the market. So it'd be something that you would kind of have to babysit. And then I would completely close the trade out. But this is just a general overview of how profit taking looks and how you can use it to benefit you. And again, stop losses are important because they help to mitigate risk. And also taking profit all the way up is very, very important too, because what happens if price doesn't hit at 49 cents? What happens if we only get to 0.5 on fibs and we only hit 47 cents? At least you were able to secure your profit on this way, and you can go ahead and close that trade out if you want. Thank you for watching.